So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to download both of them. So you want to click on both of them. They should now be downloading. And now once you download both of these, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're going to install both of them one by one. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Next, we're going to install the other one. I'm going to install x86. I'm going to double click on it. And then do the same thing. You want to tick the box and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.